Hi, I'm Alexis. Thank you for joining me for this WordPress tutorial. The purpose of this tutorial is to teach you how to create a password-protected page for your website. You might need a password-protected page to provide members-only content or to control access to your site for some other reason. In order to sign into your WordPress site editor, enter your admin username and password. If you're not the primary owner of the site, you will get your admin credentials from the site owner. Now that we're inside WordPress, on the left side you'll find your admin bar. Go to the Pages tab. From the Pages tab, you will have options to see all pages or to add new. Click Add New. Type a title for your page. You can edit this title later, so for now, pick something that will be easily identifiable for you. You can now design this page using the block editor. For the purpose of this video, we will skip the page design and move on to publication to ensure that you know how to make your page visible. You will find the Publish menu. Depending on the size of your screen, the Publish menu box may be on the right side of the screen, or for a smaller screen like mine, you will find it below the block editor. Once you find the Publish menu, you will click the Edit next to the eye icon. Select the Password Protected Radio button and enter a password that will be easy for you to remember. Make sure, since you're giving the password to members or other users, that you select a password that's not personal to you. You will next select the Publish button. In order to make the page available on your website, you will need to add it to your menu. You will do this by going to the admin bar on the left side and selecting the paintbrush icon that will drop down the Customize menu. You will then go to Menus. This will open the customizer for your template. Select your current menu. For my website, this menu is called the Sidebar menu. Scroll down to the bottom of your menu and click Add Items. This will provide you with a list of all of your pages. I will then click the plus sign next to the Password Protected Content page that I just added. I can then drag and drop this page to the appropriate location on my menu. I'll hit the Publish button, and then we can see the pages on the website. The Password Protected Content link is now available.